Any creative person likes creative freedom. I haven't done TV for almost 2.5 years. बहुत मजा आया वो देख के. हम लोग भी अपने कंटेंट में बहुत एडवांस हैं.
Welcome to Box Office India. This is Anita with you, and today we have the very handsome Mr. Iqbal Khan. Hi, good evening.
Hey, hi. What's up? How are you?
I'm good. How are you? How's the lockdown been treating you?
Very good, yeah. Resting, enjoying, working at the same time.
Yeah, that's good. So you have come out with such a lovely. So the trailer is amazing. Okay, so you have brought out. You have made your fans basically very happy with this show of yours. So you tell me, how did this come to you, and what was the entire process?
So I was struggling after doing TV to get into web space, and I was finding it very difficult because people had reservation for though it's not the same anymore. But at that time, a year and a half ago, people still had reservations for television actors to do web and everything.
Right.
And when I met Apu sir, and he happens to be from my school, my senior from school. We went to the same school, and he's somebody who does not believe in this this math that created by people that actor from a certain medium cannot work in the other medium. He does not believe in that. He just believes in कि अगर actor fit हो रहा है और उसको करना आ रहा है तो why not? And that I think is a sign of a good craftsman.
Right. But did you also ever have this inhibitions of moving from television to web, or you were okay with it?
नहीं, मैं तो 2-2.5 साल से स्ट्रगल कर रहा था, हो क्यों नहीं रहा?
मतलब?
क्योंकि टेलीविजन एक्टर का 2-2.5 साल पहले ना, तो टेलीविजन एक्टर का एक थोड़ा सा स्टैंप पड़ रहा था कि इफ यू रिमेम्बर पहले जितने भी वेब शोज आए उसमें दिखता ही नहीं था.
राइट.
तो वो ये गणित किसने शुरू किया था मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन तो उसकी वजह से मुझे एक ब्रेक लग गया था कि हो नहीं पा रहा था. अचानक अपू सर मेरी लाइफ में आए और मैंने शुरू करते हैं.
But what was about the script that you liked so much and you wanted to be part of it?
No, he called me, he said, I'm doing a show and you're doing it. I said, script kya? He said, fuck off, you have to do it.
All right. Okay. So, it was difficult for everyone to accept that, TV actors can do web. Okay. What were you busy with during those times, and how you thought you can change that mindset?
I was giving myself time to give those people time to get this thing out of their head that TV actors cannot do web.
Okay. But don't you think out of sight is out of mind?
अच्छा है ना, वही तो कर रहा था मैं.
वही तो कर रहे थे आप.
अभी for them it's like I wasn't around for some time. I haven't done TV for almost 2.5 years. So I guess, and it's suddenly a new look that I'm coming in. So I'm hoping some good result.
But what do you enjoy on web shows, on OTT platforms? What is your genre that you enjoy the most?
Creative freedom is something that an actor enjoys the most. Not only an actor, a director, writer, any artist, any creative person likes creative freedom, and OTT has exactly just that. And that's something that because you're creative and your art form goes, your imagination can go to any level, and you can do your best. कोई रुकावट नहीं. टेलीविजन में बहुत सारी डूज एंड डोंट्स हैं, क्योंकि टेलीविजन एक ऐसी चीज है जो फिल्म में सब लोग एक साथ देखते हैं, तो उसमें एक बहुत सारे और उसकी एक ऑडियंस अलग है, तो वो सब देख के हुए बहुत सारी लिमिटेशंस हैं उसमें.
But what I believe is television घर पे audience can feel closer to the actors through the television medium, but web, I think the web has got touch to it. Can you hear me?
तो आप देख रहे थे बेडरूम में, तो आपकी गोद में आ गया.
Right.
So, whatever you said, I don't personally believe in this. I just feel that if you're honest towards your work, whatever work you do, there is magic towards it, and the audience somehow connects with it, and that's how it works. No matter how much calculation and math you do, all that for me, I don't believe in magic. I'll rely on it, and I work towards it.
Right. You tell me, personally, what do you watch on OTT, the shows? What kind of shows do you watch?
So I browse through everything and watch everything little bit till it interests me, and then I watch the whole thing. And very rarely it has disappointed me, whether it's Indian content or abroad. It's nice. Mostly it's nice.
Right. So, what was the recent one you watched, and it has just blown your mind away?
तो कुछ साल पहले एक शो आता था, वो ब्रेकिंग बैड करके, वो देखना मैंने शुरू किया, और कुछ 5-6 सीजन थे यार, ऐसे देखते गए, तो बहुत मजा आया वो देख के। और उसके बाद फिर नेटफ्लिक्स आया, और नेटफ्लिक्स के बाद थोड़ा कुछ होता रहा, और फिर इंडियन प्लेटफॉर्म्स आए, और अब हम लोग भी अपने कंटेंट में बहुत एडवांस हैं, चाहे वो स्टोरी वाइज हो या मेकिंग वाइज हो। आपने देखा होगा, अगर आपने क्रैकडाउन का टीजर देखा होगा, उसका ट्रेलर देखा होगा, आपको बहुत क्लियरली पता चल गया होगा कि स्केल क्या है।
Right.
ये एक फिल्म से कम नहीं लगता है शो।
Correct.
तो हम ओटीटी को लेकर बहुत आगे बढ़ गए।
That's true. From the time when we have started till now, we have come way far from what we had started on. All right. Chalo, well, on that note, thank you so much, Iqbal. It was really lovely having a conversation with you. Hope we meet face to face very soon.
Inshallah, yes.
And all the best for all your future endeavors.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hi, my name is Iqbal Khan. You're watching Box Office India. Like, share, subscribe. And watch Crackdown from the 23rd of September by Apurva Lakhia on Woot Select only.